Hello YouTube and welcome back to the Vinny G channel. Here we go, a bit of an Arduino project. So we've got the PIR here hooked up to the single channel relay, which is going to obviously close a circuit and do something. So what's that something? Well, I'm going to make a rodent trap, a very good rodent trap. Now obviously through the potentiometers here I can regulate distance and all that sort of stuff. It is working. I've got the program up and running, so what I'll do is I'll just plug it in and I'll take it over to the computer, then I'll come back to the table. Okay, back over here on the computer, just to show you a quick demonstration. So basically there's the code. I've not shown it to you properly now, but I will put it online in a link down the bottom once the project's finished. So back to the project. So as you can see, it's powered up. I've programmed it. Now this single channel relay is what's going to be activated off the PIR, and it's going to unleash the current I need. It's going to unleash the current that I need to these two zapping plates. So quick test for you, and also with these potentiometers on the back of the PIR sensor, I can actually regulate let's say the distance, the sensitivity and all that sort of stuff. So something walks past it, the relay is actually going to close a circuit and unleash some power on two zapping plates. Okay, so back here at the table now. In regards to the power that I was going to put on the zapping plates that were obviously going to be, the circuit was going to be closed on this single channel relay and, you know, be let loose on whatever I decide it to be. I sort of thought of, you know, electricity, currents and watts needed to actually do some damage here. So look, 240 volts might be enough, but then I've also got the added worry of earth leakage and a safety switch tripping off and all that sort of stuff. So I've decided to go down a different path. I've seen the hacks done regards to tasers and things like that. So I've got an old Metz, should I say, well, it is old, but so I've got this old flash unit. Now I believe it's capable of delivering 380 volts total. I don't know, I couldn't find anything about it. Like, I've had this for quite some time now, a fair bit of time, and as you can see, I've started pulling it apart. So that the relay on the device I'm making is actually going to trigger this switch here. Now it's not going to push the switch or anything like that, so I'm going to rip this apart, find out where the wires or the switch is for this device, wire it into that to close a circuit, so that once the batteries charge up in here, it will charge the capacitors inside the charge head. Obviously I'm going to, if I can get this off, remove the high powered globe that's in there, and the wires will be, these two wires that come from left and right will be wired into a couple of plates or maybe even a perch, and it will unleash a total of look, I know it's going to be over 300 volts, and the reason I'm doing it this way, well, it'll be fully portable. This takes 6 AA batteries. I can run the device itself, the Arduino, I can run this off a 9-volt battery, and I'm expecting it, I don't know how this is going to work. I've got to come up with a way that shuts the circuit down, so once the capacitors are charged, it will lay the batteries idle. So I'll work that out. But yeah, so that's my latest thing that I'm doing, and as you can see, this works quite fine. I've programmed all that and I'm very happy with the way that works. So now it's a matter of getting the flash system hooked up to the single channel relay in an open circuit mode, so that once the sensor is activated, it'll close the circuit, unleash all the power it's got onto the two buzz plates, and yeah, we'll see the end results. I'm going to strip this down. I'm not going to do it on video because you know, that's another thing. I don't want to really show people what I'm doing with these flashes in case they get ideas, because these can give you a jolt. You got to remember, it's 100 milliamps is all it needs to stop a heart. So you know, I'll just be very careful when I do this. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and part 2 coming up very shortly.